how we're all interconnected and how we are in relationship, right? I think that's something that's sort of a consequence of the sort of obsession with containment and isolation, right? Is that sort of becomes a dominant way of seeing the world or seeing how things should be done instead of interconnectedness or connectivity. And I think that, oceanic perspectives have a lot to lend these conversations around gene drive, because we do think so much about interconnectedness and connectivity. And, for example, I think I mentioned that there's often a lack of reflexivity around the relationships that one has in engaging in this work, whether it's who's funding your work or what it means to develop these technologies in the global north and then plan to deploy them in the global south, and just what kinds of, dimensions of power that brings along with it, and what kinds of histories that tracks with, right? I think if we had more of a habit to think about relationships, maybe we would actually look at those things, right? But yeah, this kind of dominant perspective of isolation and containment and deep investment in that, I think, has these sort of more rhetorical and imaginative consequences, if that makes sense.